Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublay fi baro kinigilong ki kubor bam takas ni. Umentri Rangbah ula pentip baka surka jelah kas ni balang kalarai ban penkelai ya ka Meghalaya State Anthem da ka ba penrung lang no ya ka ketin penar haki kyntien lyrics. Ya ka ni larai bat la pensyong nongrem halor kato kat ni kejing ajing mod na kinong mi khmat kari lum jaintia kham tam u sembut menteri Rangbah ubas ngubhalang dar bat kiri upai ba. Hakani kajing yalang ke kenhut menteri kalarai ban penkelai ya ke Meghalaya State Anthem bat ngikemen ban kentup ya ki kato kat ni kilan haka ketin penar hapo ke State Anthem. Ya kani ansa penlait haka Meghalaya game kaban long hawa jajar hari lum jantia bat nginsa tem ya kani kasengi ulah ban rap.
So very good afternoon to everyone. And first of all, I'd like to once again wish you all Happy New Year. I have met some of you, but some of you I could not meet. But to everyone, a very Happy New Year. We had 9 agendas today in the cabinet, and I would like to start. The first agenda today was the amendment to the state anthem. I am happy to announce and inform that based on some of the suggestions that have come to us from our representatives from Jaintia Hills, especially our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Balanghar, and the other representatives and the cabinet ministers and the public at large, the cabinet today has decided to amend the Meghalaya State Anthem, and we are happy to include few lines in pnar in the state anthem. So this will be unveiled in the state Meghalaya Games, which will be held in YJ in Jaintia Hills, and we'll be playing it on that particular day. So that was the first decision that was taken by the cabinet today. The second decision was to institute and constitute guidelines for the Art and Heritage Award. The Art and Culture Department has proposed awards to be given to different individuals in the field of arts, which would be covering different areas from performing arts to folk music, folk dance, folk drama and theatre, craftsmanship, renowned exponents and practitioners on domain experts and living exponents. And of course, there will be a committee which will be headed by the Chief Secretary and other members from the Art and Culture Department who will select the individuals, which can be done on a nomination basis as well as on application basis, and will select different people who deserve to get awards, which will be done on an annual basis. So this was approved by the cabinet today.